Ho, 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 ho. Look at the result that we are scraping from TikTok. Oh my god. This is absolutely crazy. Thanks to the Python, thanks to me. Let's dive in. If you're interested in Python programming, like go. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing well. My name is Amir, and today I've created something really crazy, and we want to create a comment scraper for TikTok without logging, okay? From scratch by using only request library. And I believe this video gonna be really practical for many of you. And if you're interested in this video, in this topic, let's dive in. All right, everybody, let's check out how data is released on TikTok. I'm talking about comments, okay? So, because the most important thing in web scraping is that, we need to check how data is released. Oh my God, Jesus. Sorry about that. Anyway, okay. So here it is. These are the comments, okay? And each reel in TikTok has this URL, okay? For example, tiktok.com, the domain, no matter the ID of that account that has shared this video, and a slash video, and this code, which is exactly what we want, okay? We need this code and also this username. And so first of all, we need to grab the posts or maybe reels. It is not my job in this video. I just want to show you how you can extract comments from each URLs. From each posts, each reels on TikTok. So these are the comments. Let's open the network tab, the most important thing or important tool in web scraping, I believe. So let's check out the fetch XHR because many websites use APIs to generate or release their data, comments, such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and so on. Anyway, yeah, when we just scroll, we can see this item list, which has no, not this one. API add. There is an API slash comments. Let me just yeah, we need to scroll to grab that one. Yeah, it should be. Where are you? Yeah, as you can see, this one. This API is exactly what we want, okay? So let me just filter our request by this API, and let me just remove everything and refresh everything because I want to take the first bunch of comments, and I want to show you how you can grab them from the beginning, okay? Because not because, okay, let's see. Oh my God, I should mute this guy. Let me just, okay, come on. Yeah, no matter. Okay, we just need to scroll down. Hello. Yes. Wait, yeah, got it. This one. Okay, it gives let me show you in the response. For example, most normal hello world. Yeah, we are in response and we have this clean data. It is great, okay? And let me just search for most normal hello. Okay, yeah, there it is in text. Most normal hello world, some emojis, and we should send a GET request to this API. I will show you how you can do that. Then we need to parse this JSON, okay? And it is really simple, okay? It doesn't have anything else. We just need to grab the comments, and then from comments we can say that, okay, from comments we want the description or text, okay? Text, and also there should be another thing. No, just text. Sometimes comments are located in description from share info. Sometimes comments are in just text. Okay, I will show you how you can do that. What about pagination? What about pagination? Actually, that reels disappeared. I don't know why, but if you scroll down, you can see and find this interesting thing. Has more is equal to 1. Okay, so it means that there are more comments to be scraped or to be extracted. Okay, and how we can do that? So first, I mean, in each loop, we say that if has more is equal to true, you need to send another request. And where is the cursor? Okay, it doesn't have any token for the next page or next cursor, but in the URL, let me show you. In the URL, oh my god, where is it? There should be something like CUR. Not like, where is the cursor? Where are you, bro? Signature, we do not want these. I think we should, yeah. Cursor is equal to 0. Can you see that? Let yeah, cursor is equal to 0. Okay, and I found that it increases by 20. Okay, so if we want to grab the other comments, we just need to say that cursor is equal to 20, and it is great. And also there are some information that I'm gonna talk about them. They are absolutely redundant. Okay, we do not need them. We just need to add that I mean this I don't know, user ID that comes from post URL, and we just need to put this in this URL as a parameter. I will show you how you can do that. And we want to create this scraper from scratch. Okay, from scratch, how we can create and send a GET request, how we can parse the data, how we can manage and programmatically, I mean, create a program to scrape this data dynamically and goes to the last page. And we want our scraper to read something like has more is equal to false. Okay, it means that we have grabbed everything that is available on TikTok. Okay, so let's start our coding. Okay, let's first of all create our Python file. Nice. Then import the required libraries such as requests and also JSON for parsing. If you want to install request, pip install request. Okay, too easy. Let me save this file and open TikTok. Let me remove everything and let me just select one of these. I don't know, maybe this one. I want to select something that has lower, I mean, the first video that we put at 3000. Let's start with functions. Functions это easy. Ты делаешь dev, пишешь name, протягиваешь function вот так вот. Например, x. x, фантазия, блядь, сука. X вот так вот. Want this URL because each reel has a specific URL, as I said before. And if you want to create a loop, and if you want to scrape, for example, 1000 reels like this way, you just have to create a loop, another loop, upper side of all loop. Oh my god, English. And then you can go through each of them. But for now, I just want to use and show you how you can scrape comments from each reels. Okay, but the process is completely the same. It is a post URL. Okay, and let me show you. I mean, these are the comments. Okay. Let me remove everything, start recording and refresh. Okay, And I already filtered this by API comments because we found that the API that we're
Functions and lambda functions fucking сука. Let's start with functions. Functions это easy. Ты делаешь def, пишешь name, вот так, или function, вот так вот. Параметр, например, x, xxx fantasy.
pause the video. Okay. And just look, when we scroll, yeah, okay, it goes to the next page. Okay, that was something like has more is equal to true. Okay, I already talked about that. So let's first check the first the first API for the first page. What we want to send a GET request exactly like this, and we should use this URL, and also we should use some custom headers. Okay, otherwise TikTok does not allow you to scrape comment or scrape anything from its website. Okay, so be careful about this. We need some headers, and let me just add my headers. Okay, for example, headers are equal to dictionary. I've already created that, and it's not necessary to write these lines once again. Okay, except user agent is the most important one. If you don't use user agent in your code, for example, for most of website, but in TikTok, if you don't user agents, it gives you 403. Okay, it doesn't give you 200. Be careful about this. So it is our headers, and what we want to do, we want to send a request. So we need a function for sending a request, and then we want to parse the data. So we need another function for parsing that. That's why I'm gonna say that, okay, this is our rig. Okay, and also we have a parser. Okay, nice. So what we want to do, let's in rig, I want to say that it has a URL. Let me just copy the URL, exactly this URL, and we can say that it is a URL that we want to send a GET request to, but it is for this video. But as you can see here, we have something like AWE ID. So we need to change this if we want to scrape a new reel. Yeah, let me check out my code. Exactly. So if you want to scrape a new reel, you just have to change this value, okay, which is located here. How we can take that? So we can say that there is a post ID that we need to extract from the post URL, post ID. Ouch. And we can say that post URL that we already have, dot split. Ouch. What happened? Okay. Post URL, we need to split it by, I think we can split it by this slash, and like this format. Okay, and I want to say that, okay, I want the last one. I mean, I want the last string in this string. Yeah. So, and we can say that, okay, give me the last one. Easy. Okay, if you run this code, it just gives us something like if you just let me just print, for example, post ID, it just gives us exactly this. Okay, and if you just remove this, you can see that it gives a list, and we just take the last one. Okay, easy. And so we need to use fstring in Python if you want to make it dynamically. Okay, it works for this reel, but it doesn't work for next reels and next posts. Okay, so we can say that it is a fstring in Python. Thanks to Python, it is really great. And instead of this, I want to say that, okay, we want you to add post ID exactly here. Amazing. Okay, and it is exactly what we need. Okay, so then we need to send a GET request to this. How we can do that? Simple. We can say that response, okay, response is equal to request library. It is a GET request. What is the URL? URL is equal to URL that we have, and also we need to specify the header, so we can say headers is equal to headers as well. And that's it. It gives us the data that we want for the first page. And how we can handle the first page, I will show you. There is something like cursor here, so we need to use a string to go and grab all other pages. Okay, it is a response, and I want to first save this response in a JSON format, and because I want to show you how we can grab data, and we can say that the info that we want is equal to response.text. Okay, great. And if we want to convert it into JSON format, we know that it is already in JSON format, but it is in a string. Okay, we need to use raw data. For example, raw data is equal to json.loads info. Okay, and let me just save this raw data and show you how you can parse the JSON file. Okay, yeah, I just opened the output.json and encoding UTF-8 because it has some emojis. Okay, and it is quite common when you want to save something into JSON format. Okay, it's not necessary to explain what's happening here. And yeah, so here we can say that we want to pass the post ID to the rig function, and then I just want to say that, okay, run rig function with the post ID that we have. Okay, let's see what happens. It's kind of weird, I don't know why, but it should work. Python bot.py, boom. Look at this JSON. Okay, exactly what we want. See, in comments I said that we need to go to description. Why am I low? What? Understanding what he is saying. I don't know what is that. Yeah, exactly. Congratulations. So how to parse this JSON format, how we can scrape all available disk description. Okay, but let me tell you something. Sometimes I've experienced this for TikTok API. I don't know why. Sometimes description is empty. Okay, but text is available. Sometimes both are available, but I'm gonna say that first of all, look for description. Then if it's empty, grab text. Okay, for comment. Okay, as you can see here. And if you see there, we can loop through it. Okay, and we can do the same. Description, if the description is available and has any text, extract that. If description is empty, just take the text. Okay, if you run this code and remove the text part, you can see that, for example, when you are scraping 1000 comments, some comments are not available and are empty. Okay, that's why I use text. Okay, and that's it. So now we can go to our parser function because we want to parse that data. For that, I'm gonna say that okay, we do not need this font because we have one. We can work with that. I'm gonna say that at the end, just return me the raw data because I'm gonna pass it to parser. Okay, at the end. So it is for our request function for now because we haven't handled the pagination and send the cursor and increase the cursor by 20. But for parser, I'm gonna say that our parser only wants a data, and then it parses the data and save it. Okay, how it handle the job? Let me just see what we need to do. Okay. So yeah, you just saw that we already converted data into JSON format, so we can say that gives us comments, and if we take comments, there are many arrays, and then we can create a loop for each array. Okay, you know. And I believe you're not beginner. Okay, if you have watched my videos, I've done this a lot. Okay, so we can say that comments something like or maybe comment is equal to, and we need a list. Okay, we need a list of comments, and then our parser function needs to append each comment to these comments, and at the end we just save these comments. Okay, I will show you. So we can say that comment is equal to data, okay, that it take. Also we can say raw data, okay, no matter. And we should exactly go and look for comments, okay, here. Okay, now we have an array of comments. Okay, so we can create a loop. We can, for example, say that for cm in comment, you should say that com is equal to cm dot it was description, if I'm not mistaken, but it was, I mean, it is located in share info description. So we need to first go to share info. Okay, and then we say that, okay, give me the disk. Okay, and here I'm gonna say that if this com, okay, if this com is something like this, okay, sometimes it returns something like this for each comment. I don't know why. If com is equal to this, there is a new com. There is a new com, which can be cm dot text. Yeah, exactly this one, exactly text. Okay, and what it should do, it just need to say that comments, an empty list that we have, and dot append what it should, I mean, what we need to append, we need to append com. Okay, great. And also we can print each com at the end. Okay, or maybe here to see what is the comment. Okay, let's run this code. How we can handle and run this code? We can say that our request is post ID, it send a request and it gives us the raw data. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna say that parser parser, we should pass the raw data to it. It works and prints every comment. Also we can say that print comments. Okay, I will save all comments in JSON format. Just let me show you how this print function work. Okay, and parser raw data. Nice. Let's just run this code once again. Congratulations. Okay, it is really crazy. Nice. So what's next? Now we need to extract all available pages. Okay, and as I said before, at the end of this raw data maybe or output, we have something like has more. Okay, how we can handle this? So we need a while loop. Okay, we need an infinite loop, and we need to always do something like this and say that if there is more data, do the same. We can say that, okay, we have a while loop here, and at first it says that data is equal to post ID and raw data. Okay, and I said that in parser, no, not in parser. In parser, I'm gonna at the end of this function, I'm gonna say that, okay, return exactly this data that you took. Okay, I mean that's raw data, and here we say that something like same data is equal to parser. No matter, it does what it should do. Okay, but also it returns the raw data to same data. And here I say that if same data, ouch, because we know that it is in JSON format, we can say that if is equal to 1, okay, you should do something. What? We need to increase the cursor by 20. And why 20? Because if you just go for the next API, you can find that. Where is it? Oh my god. Any help? Where is the cursor? Ah, yeah. You can see that it is increased by 20 and it should be 40. No, it's not 40. There is, because there is only 37, okay? And but it increased by 20, so we can increase it by 20. I mean, for the third API, we should use something like 40 and 60, 80 and 100, okay? It's quite straightforward. And so how to dynamic our code? Here, I'm gonna say that our cursor is equal to 0, okay? And we know that. And for our request, we need to dynamic our request, okay? Because parsing is the same, okay? You just take data and parse it. We can say that post ID and also cursor. And here, where is the cursor? Let me just find the cursor here. I'm gonna say that you should put cursor here. Okay, we also have count. Maybe we can take more data, okay? I haven't worked with this, but it is, I mean, doable. So it just put the cursor here for each request, and we have the cursor as a general variable here. And I'm gonna say if same data has more is equal to 1, cursor plus is equal to 20, okay? And I'm gonna just write this log here to moving to the next cursor. Nice. And else, I mean, I'm gonna use else, because if there is, I mean, if same data has more is equal to 0, it means that there is no more data. Else, you should break this while loop and say something like, let me use this. Let me print no data available. No, maybe comments available English. And that is crazy. And also, so it just prints everything that we want, okay? We have already completed the task. We have the comments, and let me do something else. We already know that post URL is this, and I'm gonna just say that comments dot append, okay? I'm gonna append a dictionary like this. I'm just copying because I just wanna save time. Okay, post URL is equal to exactly this one. And let me see what other thing should I do. Parser is okay. Take a data, save a data. Okay. We just need to save the comments. Okay, because if we just at the end, I'm gonna say that print comments. Okay. And also let me comment this print, because I'm gonna just print all available comments. And also if there is next page, it goes to the next cursor, because we increase the cursor by 20. And here it comes to this line, and then once again write data request. Ouch, my bad. We should pass the cursor to it because we specified it here. And then it send a get request to the next cursor. It is really crazy. Let me just run this code and see what happens. Moving to the next cursor. Yeah, it scraped everything in a list format. And also we have the post URL. Crazy, yeah? Thanks to Python. And okay, we just need to save this data. Okay, how we can do that? We just need to, let me just copy my code here. Ouch. And at the end, instead of printing, say output JSON W UTF-8, because we have emojis and other things. And also we should save the comments, okay, and say that data has been saved. Good job, Amir, or maybe good job, Jack. I don't know what's your name, guys. And that's it. Let me just run this code once again. Okay, moving to the next cursor, no comments available. Okay, so let's see the output. Great. Okay, we had something like 37 comments for that guy, I mean that reel. Sometimes it doesn't extract the replies. Okay, let me show you another thing. If you are interested in this field, you can you can improve it, you can work on it. And if you have any question, I've created a community in Telegram, so there are many experts, there are many users there. I mean, we are something like 1,000 people. I mean, there are 1,000 people there that are able to help you if you have any question about web scraping. Okay, and I will put the link in description. Okay, and I will show you how the community works. So I wanted to say that we have some replies here, and if you click on reply, nice, we got this one. Okay, there is another API for replies. Okay, if you are interested, you can work on this. And if you had any question, you can ask it on my community Telegram. Don't forget to check out the description. So yeah, I think we are done. We are done with our code for now, but let me extract and select a oh my god, what happened? Oh my god, I need to refresh this page. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, you can scrape comments as much as you want, okay, without logging. TikTok is really weak. Look, TikTok is really weak. Weak English. Oh my god, what's happening? Let me open another incognito. Open TikTok once again. I just want that URL, okay, for the reels. Okay, if you are working with this using your browser, it shows something like this. But if you send a GET request using that user agent and work with their API, they don't limit you to logging. Okay, don't worry about this, because I've sent a lot of requests, and also you have to change your IP by using some proxy. I have an awful internet connection. We are done. Okay, I'm just want to show what's happening here. Unable to verify. Okay, thanks, no matter. Let me open TikTok with my real browser. And also, I haven't logged in into TikTok. I think I should oh my god. Yeah, okay, yeah, TikTok is really weak. Okay, they don't have an advanced security for parsing the data. I just have a bad internet connection. I don't know why I'm struggling with this. Okay, ouch. What are these? Let me select, for example, I don't know which one should I select. Yeah, it has something like 900. Okay, let's be quite fast. Okay, I don't even want this tab. Let me just change this URL. Okay, and run our code as fast as possible. Come on. Yeah, to the next cursor. Yeah, it is scraping, and it is fantastic, guys. And I can say that here we can add this log, print something like we are on this cursor. Okay, and we can pass the cursor here. Nice. Oh, it is still scraping data. Yeah, because it was something like 900 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Okay. What's happening? Yeah, no comments available. Data has been saved. Good job, Amir. Let's check out the output. Woo! We got too many comments. Nice. 856. Congratulations, guys. And we are done for this video. And I know you enjoyed. Okay, so if you enjoyed, don't forget to like this video, because I really need your support. My name is Amir. You're watching this video on CodeMate TV. I create content about web scraping, automation using Python, maybe Node.js in the future. I'm not sure about that. And don't forget to join into my free community on Telegram for your question, for your project, for anything. Okay, just ask. I'm always available. I mean, I'm 24/7. I don't know. I'm always available there for you, and you can ask your question there. And also don't miss my free web scraping course on codemadetv.com. And I hope to see you in the next video. Good luck.